Hey everyone, Marc Saltzman here. Did you know that GoDaddy now brings you the ultimate chat and online meeting solution for your small business? I'm talking about Microsoft Teams, previously Skype for Business, which is part of Office 365. It's phone meets chat, document sharing, and video conferencing, all from your favorite device. Microsoft Teams helps you communicate with your employees, suppliers, or customers from wherever you are. It supports chat, you can show images, and even video. Teams makes working with others simple. It allows you to work on files together if you're using Office 365 apps such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You can even use it to work on Google Docs and PDFs. Making calls on Teams is also easy. You can now use Teams to make and receive phone calls. To enable this feature, simply add calling plans, a feature on Teams. And the best part is, you can connect with Teams on multiple devices, like your smartphone, tablet, or laptop to suit your individual needs. Microsoft Teams is the one tool that you need for all your online meetings. Try it today at GoDaddy.ca. And don't forget about GoDaddy's free and always friendly customer service.